Borscht with spare ribs. For 10 portions of the borscht we need 1 kilo of spare ribs, 5 potatoes, small cabbage, beetroot, carrot, onion, jar of peeled tomatoes, bunch of parsley, 5 bay leaves, tablespoon of salt, and 5 liters of water. For snacks, we need bacon with spices, garlic, gluten-free bread, and sour cream. Pour water to 5 liters soup pan and put to fire. Then wash well ribs, cut to slices, and cook 40 minutes. While the bouillon is cooking, wash all vegetables. Then peel beetroot, carrot, onion and potatoes. Cut potato by 4 slices and put to water at least for 5 minutes for getting out bad farina. Then wash it and add to the bouillon. Cut beetroot and carrot by thin slices and add it to the soup pan. Then cut onion to small size cubes and also add to the soup. Mix all in the soup pan and after that add 1 tablespoon of salt and put bay leaves. When potato is almost ready, chop cabbage and put to the borscht. Get from jar peeled tomatoes and chop it. Add the tapenade to the soup and hash well. Finally, cut parsley and add it to the borscht. Mix all carefully. Close cover, switch off fire and let it be insist minimum 15 minutes. Serve bacon with spices, garlic with bread, and of course add smetana directly to your borscht. Enjoy it! Bon appétit!